Welcome back, Startling subscribers, to this part 2 on the top 10 best patterns, the most coolest looking patterns on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. By the way, if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button or click right here on the corner to subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. A quick note, I'm also going to be putting up all the algorithms of the patterns right up here. And now for the first pattern, gift box. U, B2, R2, B2, L2, F2, R2, D prime, F2, L2, B, F prime, L, F2, D, U prime, R2, F prime, L prime, R prime. As you can see, I think it kind of looks like a gift box. And now for the second pattern, cubes in a cube. B, D, F prime, B prime, D, L2, U, L, U prime, B, D prime, R, B, R, D prime, R, L prime, F, U2, D. As you can see, there are many cubes in a cube. This actually looks kind of cool. And now for the third pattern, Python. F2, R prime, B prime, U, R prime, L, F prime, L, F prime, B, D prime, R, B, L2. As you can see, it just goes like this in a continuous motion. And now for the fourth pattern, the spiral pattern. L prime, B prime, D, U, R, U prime, R prime, D2, R2, D, L, D prime, L prime, R prime, F, U. As you can see, it kind of looks like a spiral. Now for the fifth pattern, two twisted peaks. F, B prime, U, F, U, F, U, L, B, L2, B prime, U, F prime, L, U, L prime, B. As you can see, there are two twisted peaks. And now for the sixth pattern, the anaconda. L, U, B prime, U prime, R, L prime, B, R prime, F, B prime, D, R, D prime, F prime. And now for the seventh pattern, alternative checkerboard. F, B2, R prime, D2, B, R, U, D prime, R, L prime, D prime, F prime, R2, D, F2, B prime. As you can see, it's just a normal checkerboard, but the centers are alternate. Now for the eighth pattern, rockets. U, R2, F2, R2, U prime, D, F2, R2, F2, D. As you can see, they look like rockets on every side, except for the top and bottom. And now for the ninth pattern, cage. L, U, F2, R, L prime, U2, B prime, U, D, V2, L, F, B prime, R prime, L, F prime, R. This is very similar to the straight lines pattern in the part 1, but it has horizontal lines too. And now for the last pattern, stylish lines. F2, L2, R2, B2, and this layer twice. And now just one more bonus pattern, changing the centers. That is how you change the centers. Well, Startling viewers, hope you liked this video. If you do, click right here to view another video and click over here to subscribe. And don't forget to smash that like button and also comment down below what we should do next. Well, that's it for today guys. Have a great time.